Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best welding backpacks. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5. ARCCAPTAIN Welding Tools Backpack. Most backpacks fail under heavy outdoor use. As a gear specialist, I've tested countless tool bags. Common issues: lack of space, poor comfort, weak durability. Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN Welding Tools Backpack. Ultra lightweight at just 2.6 unlubs, easy to carry anywhere. Spacious design holds welding tools, helmet, and laptop. 15 multifunctional pockets keep everything organized. Retractable mesh netting fits all helmet sizes securely. Premium nylon resists wear, abrasion, and tough weather. Padded straps and chest belt ensure all-day comfort. Dedicated laptop pouch fits up to 17-inch devices. Extra insulated bag for electrodes, clamps, or lunch. Tested on job sites, tools, gear, and food. Stay protected. Perfect for welders, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Upgrade your gear. Choose ARCCAPTAIN for every adventure. Click now to get organized and travel smarter. Number 4. YESWELDER Welding Backpack. Tired of juggling welding gear on the job? Meet the YESWELDER Welding Backpack, your all-in-one solution. Imagine arriving at the site, everything organized and ready. Helmet catch securely holds your welding helmet, always within reach. Spacious 6.6-gallon capacity fits helmet, jacket, gloves, tools. No more searching for gear or leaving essentials behind. Smart design: business card holder, side pocket, iPad zipped pocket. Folded helmet catch keeps your pack streamlined and organized. Ergonomic padded back panel offers comfort and maximum airflow. Wear it all day, no strain, just pure convenience. Crafted from 600D polyester, smooth, stylish, and ultra durable. Resists wear and tear, stands up to tough work environments. Upgrade your workflow, save time, stay organized, work smarter. For welders, tradespeople, industrial pros, this pack delivers. Level up your gear game. Grab the YESWELDER Welding Backpack now. Number 3. MELOTOUGH Welding Tool Backpack. Tired of flimsy tool bags that just can't keep up? Meet the MELOTOUGH Welding Tool Backpack, built for serious pros. Picture this: heading to the job site, everything organized, nothing left behind. Military grade 6000 denier nylon resists abrasion in daily wear. Haul over 50 pounds of gear, no sweat, no stress. Detachable helmet bag keeps your helmet protected and close at hand. Need flexibility? The removable bag adapts to your workflow. 3 large open compartments. Find tools and helmets instantly. Multiple pockets fit everything from wrenches to welding gloves. Rear padded compartment secures laptops up to 17 inches. Your electronics stay safe, even on tough work sites. Form-fit padded shoulder straps mean comfort all day long. No more sore shoulders, just balanced weight and support. Upgrade to the MELOTOUGH Backpack, engineered for real work. Ready to carry more, protect better, and work smarter? Get yours now and experience the ultimate in tool storage. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Welders. Many believe standard backpacks suit industrial needs, but traditional bags can't handle heavy, sharp, or bulky gear. I'm a certified industrial safety specialist and welding pro. I've seen countless workers struggle with torn, disorganized bags. That's why I recommend the Lincoln Electric Welders all-in-one backpack. Its military-grade 1680D nylon resists abrasion and rips. The reinforced interior keeps PPE, tools, and electronics safe. A padded sleeve protects laptops up to 17 inches. Multiple pockets provide segmented storage for quick access. The removable mesh netting holds helmets or hard hats securely. Industrial strength straps and cushioned back panel ensure comfort. I've carried over 50 pounds, no shoulder strain, no bag sag. Students, technicians, and pros stay organized and protected. Upgrade to the Lincoln Electric Backpack for reliable, lasting performance. Don't let your gear slow you down. Choose professional grade storage. Click to get yours and work smarter, not harder. Number 1. Klein Tools Ironworker and Welder Backpack, your tool-carrying superhero. Fire-resistant 1680D ballistic weave exterior, like armor for your gear. 27 pockets, enough to stash tools, snacks, and maybe a squirrel. Holds a 24 to 36 inch connecting bar, no more awkward juggling. Welding helmet and hard hat, both fit inside. No more helmet Tetris. Hard pockets protect your helmet lens and phone. No more cracked screens. Aircraft cable reinforced handle, stronger than your morning coffee. Molded bottom laughs at puddles and job site grime. Carries up to 50 pounds, like a gym membership for your back. Extra padding on straps, so comfort isn't just a rumor. Meets NFPA 701 fire resistant standards because sparks do fly. Organized interior keeps 18-inch spud wrenches and 6-pound hammers in check. Designed for ironworkers, welders, and anyone who loves pockets. Stop wrestling with tool chaos. Carry like a pro with Klein tools. Get yours and turn every job site into your organized kingdom. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.